Jesus Christ, man.
Alright guys, welcome to a brand new video. In today's video, we are going to be getting rid of those saggy, nasty pockets that come stock with the Jeep JK and replacing them with these cup holders slash cubbies. So I got these off of Amazon or eBay, one of those two. Anyways, the fact is, these are super cheap, and today I'm going to put them to the test and see if they are worth your money and see if this is an actual mod that should go on my Jeep. This should be a super fast video, so let's go ahead and get right into it. All right. Before I start the video, I know you guys have been asking about the 2G, so I might as well shoot an update video. I haven't been able to crank out a full video of Tanya yet because the videos for these actually take a lot of money because I'm rebuilding a whole car and they take a lot of time, which I do have, but again, I just have no money. So, give a little recap. We took out the engine, me and Abraham took out the engine and we gutted the interior. We had to take out the dash still. What's coming up is I'm gonna be actually cutting out this whole floor and platforming it. The engine, half of the engine's over here. This is my new engine shelf stand. This will be a whole video of just taking apart the other engine, so stay tuned for a video like that. I kind of go over taking it apart and all that stuff. I'll give you guys a little sneak peek. As you guys can see, the cams are pretty scorched all over the place, so it's not very good, and those will not be going back into the brand new engine we have for it. Got the pistons out not too long ago. These things are in, I mean, decent shape. Not really, but considering it has 150 miles on it, 50,000 miles on it, that's kind of what I'd expect. The block is over here. Still got to take the crankshaft out, but the crankshaft doesn't look too bad. There's not much scoring on here, and the piston walls look pretty good too. So I might be able to use this block. Of course, I'm going to send it to the machine shop to get machined and all that, but there'll be more details on that in an actual Eclipse video, not just this update video. But I figured might as well give you guys an update on what the hell's going on over here, because it's in the background most of the time, and I know a lot of you guys actually subscribe to the channel for the Eclipse content. I'm sorry I haven't been keeping up with that, but anyways, I'll be better in the future. So that is the quick update on Tanya. Hope you guys enjoyed. Let's go ahead and head back to your scheduled programming today. So super simple to install these things, I believe. So you just pull this out and just cut it. Wow, I'm just scratching up all my interior. Just gonna pull this rest of this stuff out. Okay. Now that that is out, we can just get this guy here and just slide in these tabs all the way around. Okay, that's doesn't seem very secure, but I mean, it's not coming out. I guess that's one done. So looks pretty good, which still has in the trash. I mean, yeah, it's there. Kind of hits my leg, but honestly, it's fine. It's not bad. You can actually, yeah, holds a cup. Nice. Yeah, okay. There you go. Seems to be it works. Tell me, how am I supposed to live without you? Tell me what I've done for this to be true. Alright, so we get this one, same thing. Alright, slide this into place. Make sure you get the bottom. Alright, there we go. Actually looks kind of nice. Looks pretty OEM. Close the door. Oh yeah, you can noticeably, I mean, if you had a manual transmission, yeah, this would get annoying because you'd hit your arm, but I have an automatic, so it doesn't really matter. So you put that there, put your wallet right there. Perfect. There you go. Easy mod. Very nice. Let's get some glamour shots and let's close out the video. Alright guys, if you guys liked the video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up down below. It helps out a lot. and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. I have a strange modifying addiction and I will not stop. So please, help me. Or just subscribe to the channel and fuel my addiction. I mean, you can choose for yourself. Comment below any comments, questions, or concerns. What kind of pocket thing you guys use? I know Slick Rock Gear, I believe, makes some of this, some of these products as well, and a whole bunch of other manufacturers make a similar type of product. I'll give you a link in the description below if you want to get your own, and I have a plan to put these in the back as well, so that'll probably be a video down the road. So, without further ado, I'm going to see you guys later. This is very uncomfortable, so I'll see you guys later. Peace out, and I will check in with you guys in the next video. Peace out.